What's going on, family? So I just got my new welding backpack in, and I wanted to give you some updates on it. I really like it. This is where you put your welding hood. Slides in there, clips on. I really like the devices on it. Nice, comfortable backpack. I even got a free lunchbox. For getting it, I got a free lunchbox. And you pretty much put everything you need in here. Very standard. Nice and sturdy. Yeah, nice and sturdy. Nice and sturdy. So, just wanted to give y'all a couple updates. I think this is some good things to invest in when you're building your independence. I do a lot of mobile welding, installing, and teaching, so I can have everything in one unit to go. So, I have my rods over here, gloves here, whatever I need in here to do classes and also to do jobs. So, I really like this backpack. Check this out. I actually got it off of Amazon. Got a discount on it because the box was damaged, but they said that the product was good, and it is. So I saved like 30 bucks for getting it, buying it off Amazon with a damaged box. So this is the full setup. I think it's wise that we invest in our equipment and the things to help us make money and to make things easier. You know, we understand that it takes money to make money. And if you got the things you need, you can actually get the job done a lot faster, more equipped. So just wanted to give you an update on that. So for those who are actually looking for one, I think you most definitely should get you a welding backpack to take care of your necessities, you know, your hood, the stuff you use. That way when it's time to get a bag, you can just get a bag, you know. So heavy duty. I love the straps on it. And I can also slide my laptop back there too. So I do have a work laptop that I use from time to time, especially when I travel. So I can actually throw it in there, kill several birds with one stone, and keep going. So I really like it. I think they did a great job with this one. A real great job. I love this too. It's more, it covers your hood more to protect it, because you know we spend money, so we want to make sure our tools are protected and taken care of. So, but as a rule of thumb, I think this is a very, very, very good backpack. So if you're looking to get one, check out Amazon Prime. It's actually where I got mine at. But it's a great unit. Hold on.